Yo, what up?
Hey, Bo, I have a favor to ask.
Uh-huh.
Can you please meow in a southern accent?
Meow? Wait, what is Minnie talking about? Wait,
she said
what?
that her cat meows in a southern accent, and since you have like the southern thing, I thought maybe you could give us an example.
Meow? Meow? That is? Is that what your cat sounds like? I don't think I've ever heard... I don't ever heard a cat sound like that.
Because I was saying that my cat meows in like a British accent.
Meow.
Yes! Yes! Oh
Like
my
that?
god! What you're like the cat whisperer. You could just
Cat boy. I feel like I missed my calling.
Nah,
You could be
dude,
both.
you're a dog boy.
You're right. Yeah, you're right about that.
You guys want to hear my favorite cat sound?
Yeah,
Yeah.
please.
Oh,
I love the yowling.
Oh,
It's
poor
so
sad
cute.
cat. What does